Starting from version 8.2, developers decided to add a prefix before all custom fields created after this change. In this video, I'll show you how to remove this custom prefix. Just keep in mind that you're doing this at your own risk. Before making any changes, make sure there are no other fields with the same name in the entity. Also, it's important to note that anything entered into this field after changing the name will disappear, since we're essentially changing the field's identity, which will create a new column in the database. First, let's create a new field. To do so, head over to Administration. Remember, you need to be logged in as an admin. Open the Entity Manager and select the entity in which you want to create the new field. Then, navigate to the Fields section and hit the Add Field button. Choose the type of field you want. For this demonstration, I'll choose Varchar. Specify the name of the field and hit Save. As you can see, EspoCRM added the prefix C to the name of the field. But don't worry, you still have control over the label of the field. Prefix was added just in the code. Users will see only Label of Field. To change this, you'll need to log into your FTP SSH and navigate to the EspoCRM directory. From there, go to Custom or Espo, Custom Resources, Metadata, Entity Defs, and select the file with the name of your entity. Find the name of your newly created field and remove the prefix. Remember, the name of your field must start with a lowercase letter. Next, head to the I18N directory to fix the translation. Locate the folder for your language and select the file with the name of your entity. Find your field and remove the prefix. Save your changes and return to EspoCRM. Go to Administration, click on Rebuild, and then Clear Cache. Now you can refresh the page. After that, you can head over to the Entity Manager to see if your changes were successful. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the custom prefix from your field in EspoCRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.